He's breathing okay. I think he'll be alright. He's a little bit freaked out about his... I can't risk him trying to fly away inside the building. So I'm just going to leave him wrapped up right here for a little while longer. If he wants to get better and pull his... I think he's going to be okay. He's looking up and he's got his head up and he's breathing okay. He's just going to take it slow. He got a little bit unhappy with me. He's better. He almost flew into the pond. Don't fly into the pond. Go to the tree. Go.